Now, you're probably thinking by now, why in the world are there so many different reports? The reason for that is my favorite thing about Clifton Strengths. Clifton Strengths is a developmental model. So, where many assessments are designed for self awareness, which is a great starting place, we need to understand ourselves better to be able to move on to personal development. Clifton Strengths is really designed not just to provide the self awareness, but to provide you tools to do that personal and professional development and to really take each one of those strengths and develop them further. So it's not designed to say this is who you are, it's designed to say this is who you could be, and here's some ways to get there, right? Um, I think that's why all the reports exist, is because each report taps into that personal and professional development in a slightly different way. You're probably also wondering, so which report should I get? If you have taken Clifton Strengths before and you already have your top 5, then it might be time to consider the full 34 or a role report. If you have never taken the assessment before, I highly recommend you start with the top 5. It's a really powerful report. It gives you a lot of information. And honestly, it gives you enough information to start with, right? Digesting one of the other reports at the very beginning can be a lot, particularly by yourself. If you've taken the assessment before and you're really in one of these roles and trying to develop, then one of the role reports can be particularly powerful. Or if you are really ready to dive in to this content at a deeper level and really spend some time on personal and professional development, then the full 34 report definitely has the most content for you. Um, Either way, I would highly recommend that if this is something that you really want to dig into, seriously consider working with a Gallup-certified strengths coach. There's a bunch of us out there. It can really make a big difference to have somebody who knows this content like the back of their hand to help walk you through it. It will definitely accelerate your progress in turning these talents into strengths. And if this information is new to you, it can really help you understand what to do with it and really take advantage of that developmental aspect of the model. If you do take the assessment, whether you've taken it in the past or you take it after this video, I would love to know your top 5 strengths in the comments. If you put them in there, you might even find that I comment with a little something that you might want to know about one of your top 5 strengths.